Welcome to Fieldwork Mobility. Now we're going to talk about the financial module that we have recently built, and it will help field agent to create invoice, accept payment on the field itself. So the very first thing one needs to do is to to set up the financial module, and there is a setup icon here. So once you click on setup, you need to set up what currency you would be dealing in. You also need to um, set up basically details about your company, your phone number and things of that nature. And basically, if you scroll down, you can see you need to set up, and you can also create your logo and things of that nature. So here you can upload the logo as well as you can define the currency. So this is the very first thing an agent need to do. Once the setup is done, the agent can go ahead and create an item. The item is nothing but different types of goods or services your company is offering. And once you create the item, you can define the item price. You can define basically the item name, whatever the unit price is, description and things of that nature. Once you have created the item, you can see all different items, basically what all different items one has created. And so and then defines the pricing basically. Once, let's say, the item is created, one can create an invoice. So the financial module is fully integrated with the CRM. So here you can select the contact, and this contact comes from CRM. And let's say, for example, if I select one of the contact, um, some contact here, automatically everything gets populated. If the email and everything is given, that gets populated. And if I scroll down further, I can add a line item, and that's where the item gets added. So here I can either select or create another item here. In here I'm gonna be selecting an item. So once I select the item, I can define the quantity, and let's say I say 10 I want to save, or 10 I want to basically I'm selling. So if I go down and define the tax, let's say the sales tax is 10%, right? And yeah, and then I do a save. So this creates and then if I want to let's say give a 10% discount, you know and I say okay, fine, I am giving 10% discount, sorry, 10% whatever discount given, right? I go down and I say save. So an invoice gets created for Ajay, and as basically I've given discount, so the total balance is $990, right? Here I can go ahead and do multiple things. I can preview the invoice and creates a PDF. I can email the invoice to the customer. I can accept the payment, or I can delete the invoice. So I can show you how the preview looks. So it creates a nice PDF of the invoice. And yeah, whatever, so this is the logo and all those things. So invoice gets created, and one can send the invoice from here itself. So that's the invoice feature. It's very powerful and very handy feature that we have. One can see all the invoices that has been created, right? So all those invoices basically it shows. You can also import, for example, let's say if you are an agency where you need to import invoices to be processed, so you can do a bulk import on invoice. And here also we have created some handy reports where you want to see sales by customer, how what payments have been received, sales by item, and things of that nature. So it's basically a complete financial module for the field sales agent where they can do all the financial related activity and then um, you know um, pretty much do the sales on the field itself. Thank you.